Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add shadow behind text in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to add shadow behind text. At first, click inside the text box or write anything. Now I am select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go to the home menu. We can see here many options. Now I am select the text shadow option and we can see we make a shadow very easily. You can apply this shadow in another text. Firstly select the text and applying the shadow effect. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.